Hey everybody, welcome back to Drawbridge Finance. My name's Levi, and today it is week 12. Hey everybody, welcome back to week 12 of Levi's Guide to Building a $1 Million Portfolio. I want to say congratulations to everybody because if you are watching this video, it means that you have already successfully completed the first 11 weeks of this 12-week program. And I hope that none of the tasks were very difficult. Now, if you haven't completed the first 11 tasks, I don't really even know why you're watching this video. You should go back to the beginning. I'll put a link up here for the first video, week 1, where you can go back and you can start to go through the process of setting up your $1 million portfolio. Now, for those of you who have already completed those tasks, it's awesome to have you here. I'm so happy. I want to make sure that you guys understand why I have my YouTube channel and how my YouTube channel works, because really my goal is to help other people make money. Like, I don't work for a bank, I don't work for an investment corporation. I make very, very little money off of YouTube advertising, and that's about all the income I get off of YouTube. So what I want to create is a platform for people to interact and to communicate with me and other people and other YouTubers that are enjoying the channel and talking about finances and what kind of investment opportunities they're looking at, and sharing with them their journey of their wealth building, really, because that's what it's about, building wealth. And it takes a long time to do that. It takes a long, long road of investing. For me, myself, I've been investing since I was 16, and I'm gonna be retiring on my 40th birthday in about a year and a half. I'm pretty excited about that, and I really want to encourage other people to do the same thing that I've done because it wasn't very difficult. I don't spend a lot of time with my investments, and they do just grow over time. It does take quite a while. So from age 16 to 40, it's actually 24 years of investing. So I definitely am not the type of person that is going to show you how to make $1 million in a week or make any of those promises, because I believe that having a straightforward strategy that's low risk will just build your wealth over time, and it does take a while. I just wanted to get that caveat out because today we're gonna do 2 tasks. The first task is gonna be to set up your portfolio in Yahoo Finance. Now, for those of you who already subscribe to my channel, you know that I just recently did a video on how to set up a Yahoo Finance portfolio. And if you haven't watched it, I'm gonna put the link right up here. So that task is super easy. You just set up your portfolio, spend a little bit of time with it. Again, watch that other video and you will see exactly how I go through and do that. That's part 1 of this week's task. Now, the second part of this week's task is actually going to be calculating how long it takes to get to $1 million. But before we get into that, I just want to share with you a quick story because I interact with people financially all the time. When I'm at work and when I'm on YouTube, every day I have comments and questions from my viewers. The other day I went to one of my vendors at work, and there's a young woman that works there, and she wanted to thank me because her investment account is up to $3,008. And she said it was so simple to do. She set it up using one of these like invest for yourself apps, I'm not sure which one, and she set up an automatic contribution of $500 every 2 weeks. So within the last 3 months, her account has gone from $0 to $3,000. And that is so fantastic. That's exactly what I want young people to start doing, is making those contributions automatic. And if you're watching this and you followed along on this 12-week journey, you've actually already done that. So I'm preaching to the choir here. I don't need to go on about that anymore. But I just wanted to say, you know, that is exactly why I have this channel. It's to help people like that. And I want to help you guys. Let's just make more money. Let's get rich together. So before I go on any further, I am going to quickly load up my app, my Easy Calculator app. We'll just look right here on the screen. So the Easy Calculator app, and we're just gonna quickly, right up here, the TVM calculator, I'm just gonna show you quickly how this works. So if we have a present value, now the present value in this situation is always negative. So it's how much money you would be putting into your investment account. So if we had an amount, $123,456, and we're making a $800 contribution. So notice the present value and the payment are both negative values in this case. So this is how much are currently in your investments, $123,000, and the monthly payment that you would be making, $800. So we want to know how long it takes to get to $1 million. So let's just type in 1 million. And we know that we're going to be getting on average a 7% annual rate. For those of you who don't know why we calculate a 7% rate, there's a link up here. You guys can check out that video, but we always base on a 7% annual rate because that is an easy return. It's actually really easy to get much more than that being a dividend investor. My annual rate is like 13.8% for the last 15 years. Anyway, 7% really easy. What we want to know is how many periods it's going to take to get there. So the periods, it says compounding monthly. So we just click on the periods button and it literally tells us 253 months. That's exactly why we use this easy calculator. It's a really simple app. It shows us a lot of things and calculations like that. Now, for those of you who don't have the app, you can either download it or you can watch some of my other videos. I've done videos on how to do this on your desktop before. So remember to subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button down below because it helps a lot, and leave a comment. Why don't you guys tell me how many years it's going to take to get to your $1 million goal? Let's get rich together. Talk soon.